Hi, I'm Lexii from KeanTV, and today we'll be making apple crisp in a mug. First we'll start off by making the crumb topping. So we'll add some oats, some brown sugar, some flour, and some butter. Then we stir it all together. Next, we're going to add some apples, some flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt. Smooth it all over the top. Now it's ready to go in the microwave for about 2 minutes. So we said it was going to take 2 minutes, but we're actually now on our 5th minute. So make sure you keep checking up on it regularly because the microwaves vary.
You can have the whole mug.
Well, thank you.
Oh, no, that's just the topping. That's no
It
apples
smells
with it.
right.
It's apple crisp.
It's hot. How'd you get it so hot?
We microwaved it.
We're doing a series. It's called Desserts in a Mug, Dorm Delights.
This is very good apple crisp.
And I didn't want to get
this.
fat, so I thought, who can I give this out to? So we want to spotlight some professors here.
Apple crisp.
Yes.
I recommend it. My wife loves fruit crisp, and she has very good taste. So I want to thank you for this apple crisp. My name is Gustave Flaubert. I think Gustave, I think so. I was a famous 19th century French novelist. My greatest work, perhaps, is Madame Bovary, a novel about adultery, which was a very hot topic in mid-19th century European culture and American culture too. And anyhow, I would put this on my nose if I wanted to be funny, but I have no intention of entertaining anyone. I'm deadly serious, as all my students know. And by the way, I can barely breathe with this thing on. I teach literature. I'm in the English department. I actually don't teach Flaubert. I wish I did. But I'm about to teach Chaucer. And in fact, I'm about to teach the key passages in the Miller's Tale, which I would love to read, but it's so X-rated that I really don't think it's appropriate for family television. My favorite thing about Kean are my students. I think Kean students are wonderful. They're fresh, they're open, they're available, and that's one of the things I like most about Kean, walking into class and teaching to students who are receptive, who like my jokes, and who want to learn. I recommend that students major in English literature, American literature, and they read all of the great writers and world literature. I teach the required world literature course, and you know, I get to teach the Epic of Gilgamesh from ancient Sumeria. I get to teach the West African Epic of Sujata. I get to teach Oedipus, the great Greek tragedy. And we have a wonderful performance of that with one of my favorite actors, English actor John Gielgud, playing Tiresias, the blind prophet, directed and translated by a brilliant guy named Don Taylor.